Good evening, class 8, acid, base, salt. Question number 7, continued. But it is related to class 10 also. Question number 7, mention uses or applications or advantages of acids, bases and salts. Try it yourself. Acids. Actually, acids are very useful to make salts in the laboratory, in factories, industries, in our daily life, etc. Bases are also very useful as medicine, to make salts, as chemicals, as reagent, etc. Salts. Actually, salts are very useful in our daily life, in food, pickle, vegetable, meat, fish, etc. And some other uses also, as antiseptic, as medicines, salt test, and many others. So try it yourself. Question number 8. Mention some properties of salts. Salts can be neutral, acidic or basic, soluble or insoluble. See, colored or colorless. Some salts are colored like blue color like copper sulfate. Some are white color, whitish, yellowish color, greenish color, etc. Some are reddish color, some are colorless. Tasteless, depending on taste. Some salts are tasteless, some are bitter, tasteless खल्लो, bitter तितो टर्रो. Some are pungent, पुरै पिरो 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 परपराउने खालको. Some are salty. Here, just by the name salt, नुन, all salts are not salty. सबै नुन नुनिलो हुँदैन. हामी नुन भन्ने बित्तिकै नुनिलो हुन्छ भन्छौँ, तर रङ हो. Salts may not be salty. Some are color tasteless, some are bitter, some are pungent, and some are salty. Some salts are soluble, like sodium chloride, copper sulfate, nitrate, etc. Some are insoluble in water. Insoluble salts are also there. I mean, neutral. Some salts are neutral, formed as a result of strong acid and strong base. Some are acidic, formed as a result of strong acid with base. Some are basic. Basic means alkaline, alkaline in nature. Salt, neutral means does not change the color of litmus. Acidic salt means changes blue litmus red. Methyl orange red, phenolphthalein colorless. Basic or alkaline means it changes red litmus blue, methyl orange yellow My, and phenolphthalein pink PP. They are some of the properties of salts. Question number 9. Define pH scale. Just like a scale is used actually to measure the length, and meter scale. But here in chemistry, the scale used to measure the strength of acidity or basicity is called the pH scale. The pH scale shows how strong is acid, how strong is a base or alkali, and it also shows the neutral compounds as well. pH meter, just like meter, napi. pH meter. The pH meter is an electronic device which is used to measure the pH, percentage of hydrogen. pH means percentage of hydrogen in a solution. Value of a given chemical. It is drawn from 1 to 14 pH meter. Question number 9. Draw the pH chart or table to show the acidity, basicity or neutrality of different compounds. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See, 7 is neutral, neither acidic nor basic, like pure water. Milk is slightly basic. Yellow color. 6 acidity increases. 6 yellow, slightly yellow. 5 orange. 4 pink. 3 red. Here red color, acidity. Acidic property increases below 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0 is also there. 1, 2, 3 red, 4 pink, 5 orange, 6 yellow, 7 neutral. Now 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. alkalinity or basicity increases. See, 8, green or blue color. When the color is green or blue, we know the strength is 8. Blue color 9, blue and violet 10. See, slowly increases. 11, violet, 12, violet, 13, violet, 14 also violet. See, question number 7, usage, very important in our daily life, factories, industries, and some others. Properties of salts, define and drawing. Now, another is how to make an indicator. How to make salt and how to make indicator. Question number 11. How can you prepare an indicator? Very simple question. How can you prepare an indicator? What should you get to prepare an indicator? घरमा सूचक कसरी बनाइन्छ? First of all, take rose petals or any flower, rose petals or other jasmine or any other flowers, petals, corolla, and cross them properly. गुलाबको पेटल भनेको फ्लावर कलरफुल पार्ट लिने, त्यसलाई बेसरी पिन्ने, पिनेपछि के हुन्छ त्यो त्यसबाट झोल निस्किन्छ. के निस्किने भयो? लिक्विड इज प्रिपेयर्ड, द लिक्विड इज फर्मड. त्यो झोल पिनेपछि त्यसमा निस्किन्छ. एड सम इथेनोल or ethyl alcohol to it. त्यो जुन झोल निस्किन्छ त्यसमा इथेनोल खन्याउने. इथेनोल खनाइसकेपछि के हुन्छ? यसलाई युज अ फिल्टर पेपर टु filter the liquid. Why filter paper is used? It is used to filter the liquid properly so that there are no impurities. त्यहाँ केही यसका भागहरू हुन्छ झोल मात्रै आओस् भनेर filter paper to filter the liquid well. Then what you should do? Now a clear liquid just like water is formed. Now what to do? Keep what? Keep the liquid so formed in an empty bottle, empty and clean bottle. The bottle should not be acidic or basic, or if acid or base is added to the bottle, it does not work well. त्यो बोतलमा कुनै एसिड वा बेस राखेको हुनु हुँदैन. त्यो बोतल चाहिँ एम्प्टी र क्लीन हुनुपर्छ. Why? To make the indicator. Now what happens? Put after यो बोतलमा त्यो लिक्विड राखेपछि के गर्नु पर्यो त? Put paper into it and use it as an indicator. First I will say, first of all, rose, you can write in passive voice also. Rose petals are taken. Take some rose petals and cross them well, properly. Add some ethanol or ethyl alcohol to it. Use a filter paper to filter the liquid. Keep the liquid so formed in an empty and clean bottle without acid or base. Put paper, any paper, clean paper, into it and use it as an indicator. In Nepali, rose petal लिने, गुलाबका राम्रो फुल लिने, त्यसलाई राम्रोसँग पिन्ने सफा भाँडोमा, त्यसपछि त्यसमा इथेनोलको झोल खन्याइसकेपछि के हुन्छ? त्यसले काम गर्न थाल्छ. त्यो झोललाई चाहिँ अब फिल्टर पेपरले छानेर एउटा बोतलमा राख्ने ताकि त्यो शुद्ध होस्. त्यसमा अरू चिज पेट्रोलको भागहरू सोलिडहरू नरहनु। त्यति बोतलमा त्यो लिक्विड राखिसकेपछि पेपर डुबाउने, यसलाई पुट नभनेर यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले सिङ्क अथवा इमर्स पनि भन्न सक्छौँ। यसलाई सिङ्क डुबाउनु अथवा इमर्स अथवा पुट जे भने पनि हुन्छ, पुट सिङ्क इमर्स जे भने पनि हुन्छ। सिङ्क पेपर इन्टु इट एन्ड युज इट एज एन इन्डिकेटर, यसलाई अब इन्डिकेटरको रूपमा प्रयोग गर्न सकिन्छ। त्यसरी घरमा इन्डिकेटर बनाउन सजिलो छ। How to make an indicator? You can easily make at home or in a laboratory. Question number 12. How can you prepare salts? How can you prepare salts? Salts can be prepared. Salts can be prepared by the following ways. How can you prepare salt? Number 1, very easy, neutralization reaction. By neutralization of what? Of an acid and a base. Take an example of acid. Acid, say hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide. Then what happens? Sodium chloride is formed along with water. By the neutralization reaction of an acid and a base. Acid-base reaction is also called a neutralization reaction because they neutralize each other. एसिडले बेसको, बेसले एसिडको प्रपर्टी नष्ट गरेर न्यूट्रल कम्पाउन्ड सोडियम क्लोराइड बन्छ। नम्बर 1. Another is from acid and metal. Acid and metal. Say example, sulfuric acid H2SO4, 1 metal zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. By the displacement reaction of zinc displaces hydrogen from sulfuric acid. Zinc sulfate, a salt is formed along with hydrogen. Another, by direct combination of a metal and a non-metal, or you can say by the direct combination of metal and a non-metal, or electropositive radical and an electronegative radical. Metal, you can write example, very easy example, sodium plus say chlorine, sodium chloride. Another, calcium plus say bromine, calcium bromide is formed. Another, double displacement method. By double displacement method. There are so many methods, like from acid and bicarbonate, acid and carbonate, etc. By double displacement method. And another, from acid and carbonate or bicarbonate. See, how can you make salts? Properties of acid and bases. From acid and base, from acid and metal, by direct combination of metals, positive, electropositive radical and electronegative radical, by displacement method. One example is given. See, sodium chloride plus silver nitrate gives sodium nitrate and silver chloride. It's just double displacement method. Sodium chloride, silver nitrate, sodium nitrate, silver chloride. From acid and bicarbonate, acid reacts with carbonate and acid reacts with bicarbonate to form different types of salts, which are very useful in our daily life, in factories, industries, salt test, etc.